In today's video, we are going to show you if it's possible to create a Turnitin account without a class ID. Let's begin. Before we begin, let me tell you that Turnitin does not allow students to create accounts independently. So to sign up as a student, you normally need something like an account access like a class ID, class enrollment key. So technically, you cannot create a student account without a class ID. Okay, so number one option that you can do is simply, if you are enrolled in a school, contact your teacher, professor, or course admin. Okay? Because with this, you need to log in as a student and they will provide you a class ID and enrollment key, or you can add your email directly to the class using your Google account or with Clever. Okay, especially if you're new to Turnitin, you can be asked to click the option right here, which is going to be the official and recommended method. Okay, now option number two is many institutions, schools, or universities already give you the Turnitin access through the model if you have an account here, or using your school LMS portal, and of course, if you are using Google Classroom. Now, all I have to do is log into your school's learning platform, for example, Google Classroom, open your course right here, click the Turnitin assignment. If there is any, your account is created automatically in the background. No class ID needed, no manual sign up required. Now, the last option is create an instructor or admin account. Okay? Or if you want, an instructor or teaching assistant, it's up to you. If you do, just wait for the approval from Turnitin, fill in your institutional details, and again, remember that this is not for students and may require verification. Now, please take note that avoid websites claiming free Turnitin without class ID. Never share your paper with unofficial sites. And of course, using shared or fake accounts can violate Turnitin's terms. Okay, so basically you cannot officially create a Turnitin student account without a class ID, but of course, you can access it through your school portal, ask your instructor for enrollment, or apply an instructor. If this is helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.